get windy.
How's it going there, YouTube? I'm here with Mike, aka Kid Bump here. Gonna do a quick walkthrough of his ride. See what we got going on here. Team DC.
Yep. I have to put a pipe in here to hold this down for the time being, due to the fact of the last couple shows. I've actually snapped that bracket demoing.
Car audio life right there.
And it does about 160 decibels, you know, with the door open. So it gets pretty brutal, you know. Everything rattles, everything breaks, so it's not a fun time. I got 3 alternators.
All right.
2 of them are CES 320, 370, and another 320 down here. Everything's all sky-high wire, 1/0 and 2/0 SMD fusion. 500 amps. Fan. We need to figure something out. I turned the fan on a couple weeks ago. I guess the vibration messed up the blade, spun out, sliced my finger. We're just, it just breaks everything.
Awesome.
So, I'm demoing and keep it here so I can keep the airflow.
For sure.
Inside here we got 4 15's, DC audio, level 5, M4s, and a wall tuned from 24 to 48 hertz.
Nice.
The voltage is sitting at 15.8 right now. Does pretty damn good. Come over here. Let me open the door. Got 2 4-channel amplifiers.
Check him out on Instagram there, Kid Bump.
Mapletech, McLaren. I'm sponsored by these guys. Really great people. This is for my tweets. This is for my mids. This is to protect all the heat.
Nice.
This thing heats up in the back cabin like at 100+ degrees. We're working on some door pods. These will be 2.8 McLaren Neos here, 2.8 McLarens here.
Awesome.
And keep tools here just for special occasions. If someone needs a tool or if something breaks down. This is a Mapletech 4-channel. It's going to be a beast when it powers up. 500 watts per side door.
Wow. 2
DD M5s, 8K, wired down to 0.35 each amp.
Massive bank there.
Oh yeah, 180 amp hour C-Max lithium. All sky-high wiring, fusing, all 500 watts.
Look at those. Jeez.
Made this one. Me and my dad decided to make one our own because we needed more.
That's nice.
And you know, we light it up at night with lights.
Sweet.
And we got fans. Keep the fans, keeping these amps cool. If you don't keep them cool, they get really warm fast.
Right.
I have a custom cock box that was made for me so I can run multiple amplifiers. And I had to fix that recently because of the vibration. Even though everything is sealed up really well, this truck vibrates like crazy.
Well, it looks nice, man. You did all the work yourself mostly?
Oh yeah. Robert Moon did the design for my wall box, and Justin Squishy, rest in peace, he's the guy that built this box with me together, and it's been a great box for me, and I couldn't be happier.
That's awesome, man. Appreciate it. Well, looking forward to hear it later.
No, thank you.
Next week, I'll make you disappear.
is